Welcome to the Kafe Alpha release by BuilderDAO. I'm RoganX, and today I'm going to walk you through this MVP that we've built to help developers onboard and grow in Web3. The first thing you'll notice about this page is that there's very simple navigation here on the left. There's a button for Learn, Vote, and Write. This will take you to the three main pages of this product. The first thing that you might want to do is view a tutorial. You can do that by clicking on the View All Guides button from the main page, or you can even click on Learn on the left menu. If you want to view a tutorial, you can click on its card. You'll notice here that we have a list of supporters of the tutorial, and if you've connected your wallet, you'll be able to click on the support button and tip the tutorial author using Solana. There's also a table of contents, and if you scroll through the tutorial, you'll see that there's headings and lots of good content for you to learn about whatever the topic of the tutorial is. Another important feature is that you can propose a guide or tutorial if you like. And to do that, you will need to connect your wallet. You'll also have to have a Kafe token in your Solana wallet. And currently, because this is an alpha product, we're only deployed on the Solana testnet. So you'll need to make sure that you connect your Phantom wallet to the testnet. If you click here, this will bring you to the card to create a proposal. You can enter a title for your proposal. You can select some tags. We have some pre-made technology tags in here. Quite often, these are things that are used in Web3, and there's different networks here that you can select from. So example, if you wanted to write a tutorial about Polygon or some topic related to Polygon, you would select the Polygon tag. And if the major language that you were using for your tutorial was JavaScript and TypeScript, you can select the JSTS tag. You'll also want to select a difficulty level, beginner or experienced. This will help developers to find tutorials that are relevant to their needs and their learning level. Next, you can put in a summary for your topic, and just remember you're limited. It's 480 characters. That's between 70 to 120 words, including spaces. And once you're done filling this out, you'll be able to submit your proposal by clicking on this button here. Now remember, you do need a Kafe token. We'll be providing this to different authors that are helping us with the alpha testing. Once your proposal is in place, you can vote on it yourself, and you can also ask your friends to show their support by coming to Kafe and voting for your tutorial. You'll notice here that if I click on the tutorial card itself, that it brings me, after a moment of loading, to the proposal page, and you can see all of the Solana public addresses that have voted on this tutorial. And as long as your wallet's connected, you can vote yourself. I'm going to do that now. Connect. Phantom is automatically detected because it's installed in my browser. I'm going to enter my password for Phantom, and you'll see that now my public address is shown here in where it used to say Connect Wallet. And if you click here, you can actually just copy the entire public key, the address. You can change your wallet, or you can disconnect your wallet. Another thing, if I click on Vote, my face is in the way, but you'll see down here in the bottom left corner, there is a notification that pops up whenever you're doing something that happens on chain. And now if I click over here to approve the transaction in Phantom, it's going to cast my vote. You'll see that my Solana public key was added to the list of voters for this proposal, and the vote was cast successfully. So in this case, once the number of required votes has been reached, then tutorial authors will be able to use our suite of tools that we provide on the Kafe repository on GitHub to easily have a template made and start writing very quickly. Once their proposal has been funded and they've written the tutorial, it will be automatically merged and published on the site, and it will be available here on the Learn tab. Remember, you can switch between light and dark mode depending on your environment, so whatever is more comfortable on your eyes. And you can always come back to the main page by just clicking on the word Kafe in the top left corner. Another nice thing is that you can enter the tutorial that's being displayed on the front page by clicking on the card directly. And from the vote page as well, you can still filter by most votes, least votes, or the age of the content, as well as the difficulty level, and you can select a specific set of technologies. So if you're really interested in Solana tutorials, for example, you can select that tag and only see tutorials that have that tag. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little demo of the Kafe front end, and we can't wait to see you in the community.